Are you looking for a job? Are you looking to change jobs? In this video, we're going to do a spell to help you find a job. But before we do, hi, I'm Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com. If you're new to the channel and you want to know more about Wicca and witchcraft, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. And if you want to become better at your spell crafting, then take a look at the Spellcaster checklist. It's a list that you can get from my website that just shows you what you need to do and ask yourself when you're planning your spells so that you get better results. The link to that is in the description field below this video. So today we're going to be working on the first stage of looking for a job. There are a number of stages when you're looking for work. You've got to find the job in the first place or have the job come to you. You then have to actually then get the job, which for a lot of people means you've got to go through a series of application and maybe even a number of various different job interviews and sometimes even tests associated with your job. So it depends what type of work you're looking for as to what the process is. And when you're being very, very clever with your magic, you're going to enchant for each one of those stages. So you may find yourself doing up to 5 or more spells just to get a job. It just depends on the situation. This spell is the beginning. This is where you're starting to look for the job and you're starting to attract the work to you. So this will help make you more attractive to a job coming to you, and also to help you be more on the lookout for opportunities that you may otherwise overlook. So to start this process off, you'll want to have a list of the sort of things you want in a job. If you're in a real hurry to get a job, you're going to need to make sure that you don't limit the energy or the magic too much by being too specific with what it is that you want in a job. If you are changing careers and you've got some time on your hands, then you can spend more time looking for a job that's more suited to you. You can have more things on your list to make the job more specific for you, because that may slow the process down. Because don't forget, the universe has to line things up for you. And if you're looking for something that's very narrow, it's going to take, it could take potentially a lot longer for that to manifest than something that may have many more opportunities and more availability to it. The first thing you want to put on top of the list is how much income you want to earn from the job. And when you write that income down, it can be yearly, it can be weekly, fortnightly, monthly, it's up to you how you want to do it. But make sure that before the amount, you put a greater than or equal sign in front of it. That way you're leaving it open to even receive more than that amount of money that you're asking for. Then under that amount of money, just list the sort of things you want in that job. And if you're looking for something in a hurry, then what do you really need in that job? Apart from the money, do you want to have a safe and positive, healthy, happy work environment? A boss that is open-minded and cooperative and understanding? You might want a job that's close to home so that you're not spending a lot of time and money on the traveling. And just think of what is the minimum that you require in a job in order to be able to go to work every day and not feel like you are a slave in a labor camp. If you're looking for a change of jobs, so you wanted to change your career and you're looking for something more specific, then really go for your list. Really pin it down as to exactly what it is that you want. It may take longer for it to manifest, but it's probably well worth it in the end. What you need then is some olive oil and something like a pin to write your name on a yellow candle. Yellow is the color of attraction, it's a color of success, and it's also the color of communication. With your pin, write your name on the candle 3 times and put the amount of money that you want on the candle as well. Once you've written all those details on your candle, you'll then begin to anoint your candle. When you're anointing your candle, you can use olive oil for this. Olive oil is a really great oil for bringing in prosperity and abundance and longevity and health. To anoint your candle, you take your oil on your fingers, and because you're wanting to bring the job to you, you start at the tip of the candle where the wick is and run the olive oil all around the candle till you get to the center of the candle. Turn it upside down, go from the end of the candle and anoint to the center of the candle. So that's where you're bringing the job to you from earth and sky. So now let's do the spell. Now before you start the actual spell, just take a moment to think of your situation, your current situation, where you don't have the job. And just tune into how you feel about that. And only take maybe 30 seconds on this. You don't want to spend too long on this, because what you're going to do is you're using an alchemical process of transmuting these emotions or these feelings into the emotions and the feelings that you actually want. And that's the energy that carries the magic. The universe reflects what it is that you think and believe and feel. It mirrors them back to you, and it gives you more of what you think and believe and feel. It just gives you more of it. So we're transmuting where you are now, which is coming from a place of not having, to feeling as if you already have, so that the universe can start mirroring what you feel you already have, rather than it mirroring what you have already, which is your current situation. So once you've just tuned into how you feel in the present moment and what you have in the present moment, light your candle. And as you gaze at the candle flame, start to visualize yourself or imagine yourself in the job that you're looking for. And tune into how that feels in your body. You'll probably feel relief. And if that's all you feel, great. That's all you need to feel. Feel that sense of relief, having that job. See yourself having the money, what you're doing with the money. See yourself doing the perfect job if that's what you're looking for. And you only need to spend about 60 seconds doing this. You don't need to spend too long on it. And then you can start your spell. If you like, you can go through the list. And as you go through each item on the list, you can put "bring me" in front of it. So if you're wanting to earn, say, $4,000 a fortnight in your job, then you could say, "Bring me $4,000 or more a fortnight. Bring me autonomy in this job. Bring me positive people in this job. Bring me a job that is close to where I live. Bring me a job that I do between the hours of 9 to 5. And then once you've exhausted your list, focus on the candle flame and then just say this chant. This job I have, this job I hold, this job is mine. This job I have, this job I hold, this job is mine. This job I have, this job I hold, this job is mine. This job I have, this job I hold, this job is mine. This job I have, this job I hold, this job is mine. This job I have, this job I hold, this job is mine. This job I have, this job I hold, this job is mine. This job I have, this job I hold, this job is mine. And say that as long as you want to say it. Build up the energy. The repetition of this short spell is bringing energy to your spell. It is creating emotion. You're going to be feeling emotionally charged, and you're going to also be creating the energy to help that job come to you and to help you let the universe know that this is your reality and you want more of it. When you're finished, the last chant, this job I have, this job I hold, this job is mine, so mote it be. You can clap. Once you've let that energy go, just allow the candle to burn down safely and then get on with the process of looking for a job. You'll also want to be planning how you're going to enchant your resume and how you're going to enchant yourself when you get job interviews. And they're videos that I will also be doing over the next few weeks to help you, give you some ideas about how you can go about doing that. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com. Blessed be.